Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a charged Redmi Note 7 Pro and MIUI that supports floating windows. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps. You're preparing permissions now so the feature can work smoothly. Tap Manage Apps, then select the app you want to use in a floating window. This is the first actionable step. Make sure the app is updated, otherwise features might be hidden. Once you have the app screen selected, move to granting special permissions for floating/pop-up view, so the system allows overlay behavior. Now you'll enable the specific overlay permission that creates floating windows. In the chosen App Settings, find Permissions or Advanced Settings and tap Display over other apps. Toggle it on. This lets the app draw on top of other screens. That's the why. If you see a display pop-up window or floating window option, enable that too. Also enable Auto Start when required so the app can open a floating window after reboot. Once those toggles are set, you can practice opening the app into its float mode. To finish, launch the app and open it into a floating window via the Recent Apps swipe or the app's three-dot menu. Choose Open in Floating Window. You can drag and resize the float. This is why the overlay permission matters. If the option is missing, reboot and try again, check for MIUI updates, or reset app permissions in Settings right arrow apps. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if floats still fail, disable and re-enable display over other apps. Then restart the phone to refresh system overlays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.